Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video lecture on artificial intelligence and public relations practice. I'm glad you're here because today, I'll explore how AI is not just a tech buzzword, but a practical game changer in the PR industry. From writing press releases to tracking media trends, AI is helping us do more, faster, and often better. So if you're a PR student, a communications pro, or just curious, this video is for you. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to computer systems that simulate human intelligence, like learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. In PR, AI is being used to monitor public opinion, analyze behavior, create content, and even respond to media queries, automatically. Let's look at how AI tools are applied in 5 key areas of public relations. First, content generation. Tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI help draft press releases, social media posts, and newsletters. For example, an NGO uses ChatGPT to draft a press release for a clean water project in a town in the country, cutting writing time by 60%. Second, media monitoring. Tools like Meltwater and Brandwatch scan thousands of news sites and social platforms in real time. The Ghana Ministry of Health may use AI tools to detect and respond to COVID-19 misinformation online quickly. Third, predictive analytics. AI tools can predict campaign outcomes and audience engagement based on patterns. Think of it as a PR crystal ball, but built on data. Fourth, chatbots. ECG may use their chatbot lets users check bills or report faults instantly. It uses AI to understand natural language and provide accurate replies. And fifth, visual and video tools. Tools like Canva Magic Design and Synthesia generate infographics or videos from text prompts. No design skills needed. One of the best examples comes from KFC UK. When they ran out of chicken, AI-powered social monitoring caught the angry tweets fast. They responded with a witty apology that won back public favor. Locally, ECG chatbot may reduce call center volume and improve customer satisfaction, but it's not all smooth sailing. With great power comes ethical responsibility. Always disclose when AI writes your content. AI can reflect societal biases, so be mindful of what it says, and never rely on AI blindly. Human judgment remains essential. Should PR professionals use AI? Yes, but wisely. Think of AI as a smart assistant. It drafts, it monitors, it predicts. But you, the PR professional, bring the strategy, the empathy, and the cultural context. Let's summarize. AI saves time in PR writing, helps monitor media and sentiment, powers chatbots and automated replies, supports design and visuals, but needs ethical use and human oversight. AI is here to stay, and it's up to us to use it not just efficiently, but responsibly. So whether you're drafting a press release or launching a digital campaign, remember, AI may write the message, but you decide what message matters. Have you tried using any AI tools in your PR work, or do you still prefer the traditional route? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more PR tutorials, and share it with your classmates or colleagues. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.